Hey guys, so this is a 4Runner. I think it's 2020. So I'll show you how to remove the door sweep. If you need access to the glass right here to tint it, to remove tint, to clean it, or just, to do some maintenance on it. So basically, you're gonna pop this one out and this cover with this tool. That's what I use. Basically, you just put it in, pop it, pop it, and then you have two screws, two Phillips screws. So the black one is here, the brighter one is here. Now next step is remove this triangle. Comes with this too, right here, and then you just basically put your fingers right here and like closer to the end and just pop it, and it pops all the way till here, and then you just remove the sweep. It's just like that, easy. So you see these clips right here, they are like this basically. So yeah, that's how you remove it. Put it back the same way. Sweep first, push it back, put the triangle back, put the bright screw, dark screw, and close everything back, and that's it. Peace.